Yo, what is up, guys? How are you doing? It's tis the season to be fucking sick as shit. It's crazy. I just got over being sick. It's nuts. Anyway, I'm gonna be reviewing Halls Soothing, Great Taste, fucking Economy Green Apple. This right here, cough drops. There you go, cough drops. See, you can cough first, so good for you. You don't want to be sick. It's not fun. Anyway, let's see. This says it's green apple flavored. When has Halls ever had a good flavor that actually works? I don't know. So, the flavors that don't taste good are the ones that that work a little bit well. The ones that are like the cool breezers or whatever, yeah, they fucking suck. Anyway, let's see. Let's see what this tastes like. It says it's green apple flavored. Great taste. So you know. That fucking sucks, by the way. So there's no green apple taste to this whatsoever. There's no great taste. It literally just tastes like what you would get when you get like lemon Halls and the honey Halls and the cherry Halls, except the cherry one's god awful. Oh my god. But this one, it needs to go down the hall because it doesn't belong. It's bullshit. That's right, bullshit. You don't want to see this as a green apple. Green apple bullshit, that's what it is. There's no green apple in that. It's green lies, that's what it is. It's a bunch of fucking lies. There's people are lying to you. Yeah, there's no green apple in this. It says great taste. Cooling flavor meter. Bro, what kind of cooling flavor meter? This shit doesn't do shit. No. I mean, it might actually help the fucking cough or whatever, or the throat shit. But, does it taste good? No, it's fucking dog shit. It's not fucking green apple. Green apple? Whoa. Sit on my lapple? Bullshit. Absolute ass. Yeah, there's no green apple in there. Nope. Would not recommend that one. Alright, fuck off. Bye. There's your review. Didn't expect this one today, did you? Oh, fuck. See you later, motherfuckers.